Hello everybody, it's Marie from Nom. Be sure to watch this video first, where I taught you guys how to do the Flipnote style in Pixel Studio. This step is animations this time. Oh boy, this was a bit tough. So I recommend to keep the speed probably like 006 or 008. What I'm doing is a fade effect of this frame. See? The classic fade effect. Next, we're going to do the frames. Once you finish the frames, make sure you move backwards and forwards, or whatever your choice is. Yeah, these frames are also out of order. Doing it out of order helps as well. Oh, by the way, to the layer side, make sure the second layer is the character and the first layer is the background, which we'll do later. Not much effort looking background. This is a test. Nothing major. It's best if I put the backgrounds first on those available frames before I start copying and pasting. So right now I'm copying and pasting it. Make sure the character is filled with white. If you want the shade style, it's just like the ink copy and the color copy, just like the previous video. Fixing the errors. Hold on a moment, I almost forgot to fix this error. I don't know how I missed that. This is embarrassing. And there you go, your animation is finished. Yay! Nicolay's giving you the thumbs up. Now, what do you think so far? This is Marie from Nom, and thank you for watching.